This is a tutorial for how to create and post your article analysis speech for English 101. The submission area for VoiceThread, which is how we will submit our article analysis speeches, is in the weekly assignments under week 13. There is a tutorial on how to create your video, and then there is a submission spot for submitting your speech and your visual, and also replying to your classmates' presentations. So if you click the submission, you will go to a screen that shows you the article analysis speech. This is slides that give you some information as well as a spot for you to submit your particular speech artifacts. Over in the lower right-hand corner, there are arrow bars to help you scroll through the slide presentation. You can go forward or backwards. The second slide gives you instructions for using the VoiceThread. And then you're going to see a slide for each student in the class. So I have myself listed here, and then you would have student 1, student 2, student 3, etc. Of course, you'll see your actual name. To post your speech, you're going to find your slide with your name on it. So I'm going to go over here to my slide. If you want to create your video here in VoiceThread and your computer has a webcam and a microphone, then what you will do is click the comment button and you will choose the video, record a video. You'll click that. You'll give permission to share your devices. And you will begin your speech. You'll want to follow the guidelines. You'll want to get our attention, introduce yourself, give us the name and title of the title and the author of the article that you read. You're going to want to address all of the points on the guidelines. You're going to want to clearly conclude your speech. The speech should be between 4 and 7 minutes in length. And of course, you'll thank your audience for listening at the end. When you're done, you'll stop recording. Take a little bit of time for it to upload. And you'll see that it will begin to present. Click Save, and your visual, or excuse me, your speech will be saved with your initials on that slide. You also need to submit the visual for your speech. And again, you'll go to the comment button. This time you're going to use the text comment bar, and you're going to simply type in there the link to your cloud-based presentation. So I have a Prezi, and so I'm going to get that link. And then I'm going to go back to my comment box and print that and save. And you'll see that that is now a link that could be clicked on, and it will go to your visual. So that would take care of your speech and your visual for your slide. Now, if you do not have a computer that has a webcam and a microphone, you could videotape yourself on your cell phone or on some other device and publish that to YouTube. Create a YouTube account and post your video there. And then what you would do is again go to the comment. This time you would choose the text, not the video. And you are going to type the link to your YouTube video. So I have created a little sample video on YouTube. So I am going to copy that link, go back to my VoiceThread, print that there, and save. So when I look at that box, I can see that it's my YouTube video, and that will take me to my speech. So if you don't have a computer that can do the recording through VoiceThread, you can always upload a video into YouTube and then attach it in that way. Now, the other item that you're going to need to do is to respond to 2 of your classmates' presentations. So you'll scroll through the slides and view, of course, the presentations and the visuals, and select 2 or more students that you wish to comment on. Again, you're going to choose the comment. I would like for you to use the audio if you can, but if you don't have the audio capability on your computer, then you can text a comment. But let's try the audio just to see how it works. You'll have to share your device. And then you'll start recording and you'll say, "Hello, student number 1. I really enjoyed your presentation. Your visual was very creative. You incorporated lots of interesting pictures to go along with the concepts. Your article was very interesting. I particularly liked XYZ, etc., etc., etc." Please give at least 3 or 4 sentences in your response. Don't just say, "Hey, your presentation was great, goodbye." Give a little more depth and content to your response. And when you're done responding, then you click Stop Recording. It will upload, and you'll hear it, and you can save it. Then your initials will show up that you responded to, in this case, student 1. Hopefully that will help you to get your article analysis speech, oral presentation as well as visual submitted, and give you the capability of responding to at least 2 of your classmates' presentations.